She likes to play with dollies and everything. Briar is much smarter and way beyond her years. So this is alright. Maddie gets all dressed up and she goes to the Princess Tea. Well, Briar doesn't want to go. So her mother comes home an hour before the Princess Tea's over and says to Briar, Briar, there's only an hour left at the Princess Tea. Would you want to go? This is the kid's response. Oh, God, no. Well, I laughed and I laughed. And it was like, and her face just lit right up like this. She said, oh, God, no.
Just appalled by the whole situation.
Like I'm not going.
Yeah.
And Maddie, well, she was just so excited to go.
Oh.
And yeah, they're both the same age.
Funny. The little darlings.
I always get a kick out of Briar's comments because she can come up with them. This is the carriage they made for the Princess Tea.
Oh, very cute. Good job.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's an old wagon that he'd got somewhere and they used hula hoops to make the thing.
Yeah.
And this is Maddie, all dressed